Assalamu alaikum and good morning internet. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to Islamabad's F6 sector, where beneath this road lies an innovative solutions to one of our planet's biggest problems, plastic waste. This 1 kilometer stretch marks Pakistan's very first plastic road built in December 2021 with thousands of kilograms of recycled plastics. In this vlog, we will explore how plastic roads are shaping the future of sustainable infrastructure and fighting plastic pollution at the same time. This road isn't just an ordinary pathway, it's a technological breakthrough. It was built by blending traditional asphalt with 10 to 12 tons of recycled plastic waste. This project is a result of collaboration between the Capital Development Authority, shortly named CDA, Coca-Cola Pakistan, and a local startup called Team Up, all working together to solve two major problems: plastic waste and road durability. Plastic waste, such as bottles, bags, and wrappers, were collected, processed, and turned into something incredibly valuable, a longer lasting and more resilient road. Friends, let's take a look at the science behind plastic roads. First, plastic waste, things like PET bottles and shopping bags, are collected and cleaned. Next, this plastic is shredded into small pieces and heated until it melts. The melted plastic is mixed with bitumen, the key ingredient used in traditional road construction. This new mixture, containing about 10% plastic, is then laid down just like any regular road. This simple process turns non-biodegradable waste into something strong, useful, and sustainable. Guys, plastic roads offer several advantages over conventional asphalt roads. Let's break down some key facts and figures. Plastic-infused roads are 60% stronger than regular asphalt roads, meaning they can withstand more pressure and traffic. They have an estimated lifespan of up to 50% longer, reducing the need for frequent repairs. These roads can endure temperatures up to 60 degrees without softening, which is perfect for Pakistan's hot summers. They also have better water resistance, minimizing the development of potholes and cracks. Every kilometer of plastic roads uses about 1 million plastic bags or 50,000 plastic bottles, diverting significant amounts of waste from landfills. So, this is more than just a green idea. It's a practical solution to build better roads while reducing our environmental impact. Friends, Pakistan generates about 3.9 million tons of plastic waste each year, and a large portion of this waste ends up polluting our oceans, rivers, and landfills. This plastic road project helps turn that waste into a valuable resource. By using 10 to 12 tons of plastic waste for just 1 kilometer of road, we are not only creating more durable roads, but also reducing the harmful effects of plastic pollution. Each ton of plastic used in road construction saves around 3 tons of carbon dioxide emissions by reducing the need for virgin bitumen, a petroleum-based product. This means this plastic road isn't just addressing waste, it's also helping to reduce our carbon footprint. The 65% of plastic waste in Pakistan being mismanaged. The country is facing a plastic crisis. This plastic road project demonstrates how we can reimagine our waste management system. Instead of letting millions of tons of plastic pile up, we can turn this waste into something that improves our cities. Do visit. Friends, this project in F6 was just a beginning. The success of this plastic road has inspired plans to extend similar projects across Islamabad and other major cities in Pakistan. Based on the success of Islamabad plastic road, Lahore, one of Pakistan's major cities, launched its first plastic road project in early 2023. The road was constructed on a stretch near Mall Road, one of the busiest areas in the city. Approximately 10 tons of recycled plastic was used in the construction of the first section. The project was initiated in collaboration with local government authorities and private companies to promote the use of recycled materials in public infrastructure. Based on the success of the initial phase, Lahore plans to expand the use of plastic roads to other parts of the city, including Cantonment and Ring Road. Guys, next comes Karachi. The Pakistan's largest city followed suit by building its first plastic road in the mid-2023. The project focused on a stretch of road in the Clifton area, which is a central and high-trafficked part of Karachi. Similar to Lahore, about 10 to 12 tons of recycled plastic was incorporated into the construction. The project involved collaboration between Coca-Cola Pakistan, Sindh Solid Waste Management Board and local contractor, aiming to address both road durability and the city's plastic waste challenge. Karachi plans to introduce more plastic roads, particularly in industrial areas like Korangi and Site, to improve road conditions in these high traffic zones. These major projects of Lahore and Karachi, launched in 2023, mark a significant step towards sustainable development in Pakistan's major urban centers. Imagine hundreds of kilometers of plastic roads across the country, helping to reduce both waste and infrastructure costs. With the right planning and investment, we could see plastic roads becomes a norm in Pakistan infrastructure, reducing plastic waste and building more durable roads for future generations. Do visit this. Dear friends, I would like to share some information regarding the countries that have implemented plastic roads based on recent developments till the year 2024. First, and the pioneer country is India, which began constructing plastic roads in 2002 and remains the global leader in this field. As of 2024, India has constructed over 150,000 kilometers of plastic roads. On average, 1 ton of plastic waste is used per 1 kilometer of road. Its key cities are Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore and Delhi have extensive plastic road networks. Mandated by Indian law in 2015, roads must use 8 to 10% plastic waste in road construction. Netherlands, who constructed the world's first plastic bicycle paths in Zule in 2018. By 2024, the country has expanded the project with several plastic bike paths and is experimenting with small sections of motor vehicle roads. The Zule bike paths use the equivalent of 500,000 plastic bottles caps for a 30-meter stretch. The country is planning to extend this technology to roads in urban areas by 2025. Guys, United Kingdom, who started laying plastic roads in 2017 with significant projects in Cumbria, Dumfries, London and other regions. For every ton of asphalt, up to 80,000 plastic bags or 40,000 plastic bottles are used. The company, MacRubber, continues to lead the initiative using recycled plastics to replace up to 10% of bitumen. By 2024, several thousand kilometers of roads in the UK has incorporated plastic. Now comes to South Africa, who built first plastic road in Jeffreys Bay in 2019. The 1.7 kilometer road used 1.8 million plastic bags. As of 2024, South Africa has constructed over 50 kilometers of plastic roads, particularly in urban centers. United States began plastic road pilot projects in California in 2019, primarily in Los Angeles. Initially, tests used 24,000 plastic bottles per mile of road, with ongoing research for scaling. By 2024, several plastic projects have been launched in states like Texas, New York, and Virginia. The US is still in the testing phase, with widespread adoption expected in the coming years. Now comes to Australia. So it laid its first plastic road in Craigieburn, Melbourne in 2018. Approximately 200,000 plastic bags and 63,000 glass bottles were used for a 300-meter stretch. As of 2024, Australia has built more than 100 kilometers of plastic roads in cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Adelaide. Canada also comes in the same countries. It started experimenting with plastic roads in Vancouver in 2021. Early tests showed plastic use could reduce the need for virgin bitumen by up to 15%. By 2024, Toronto and Montreal have also implemented small-scale plastic road projects. Indonesia is the largest country in Southeast Asia. It started its plastic road initiative in 2017, starting in Bali. The first roads used 2 to 5% plastic waste mixed with asphalt. By 2024, 30 kilometers of plastic roads have been laid across various islands. This initiative in Indonesia helps reduce plastic waste in ocean. On the other hand, Malaysia began its first plastic road project in 2021, starting with a 1.1 kilometer stretch in Kuala Lumpur, which used 9 metric tons of recycled plastic. By 2024, Malaysia has constructed over 50 kilometers of plastic roads across various cities. The last comes Thailand, who initiated its plastic road project in 2022 in Bangkok. Early projects used 3 to 4% plastic waste in the asphalt mix. The country has built approximately 20 kilometers of plastic roads in urban and rural areas as part of a pilot project. So guys, these figures reflect the ongoing advancements in plastic road technology as countries around the world increasingly adopt this sustainable practice to combat both plastic waste and road maintenance challenges. Dear friends, we have seen that plastic not only makes roads stronger but also more resistant to the wear and tear of traffic and weather. It's a win-win for the environment and road construction. Projects like this are critical to addressing Pakistan's plastic waste crisis. By turning waste into something productive, we are creating a circular economy where nothing is wasted. This plastic road here in F6 is more than just a technological innovation, it's a symbol of what's possible when we rethink how we use our resources. By taking something as harmful as plastic waste and turning it into something as essential as a road, we are not only improving our infrastructure but also taking steps towards a greener and cleaner future for Pakistan. Together, we can help spread awareness and make a difference in how we handle plastic waste. you liked today's vlog. Next week, we will visit some more places of importance in Islamabad and we'll try to share information with you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.